This is the last question on our Unit 5 Assessment Study Guide. This is from August 2025's Regents, number 26 on that Regents. The table below lists 5 metals and their densities. A solid metal cube has an edge length of 5 centimeters and a mass of 982.5 grams. Using the table above, determine and state the type of metal from which this cube is made. So first we want to remember that density is equal to mass divided by volume. Again, this is not on the reference sheet, so you will have to remember it. And the way I like to remember it is that if I join the spaces between the M and the V, I get a heart. So I'm going to write this out here again. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Now, they already told us the mass. Let's do a different color. Is 982.5 grams, so I can just plug that into where I see M. But I need the volume. So what I'm going to do is actually calculate the volume because they told us that it has an edge length or side length of 5 centimeters. And we know that a cube for the volume of this is just side times side times side. Or you can think of it as side cube. So it's really 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters, which gives me 125 cubic centimeters. And so that is our volume, and we're going to plug it into where we see V in the density formula. Now we can solve for density. So I have D is equal to the given mass, which is 982.5 grams. And I'm going to divide that by our volume that we just solved, which is 125 cubic centimeters. And when I plug that into our calculator, I end up getting 7.86 grams per cubic centimeters, which gives me iron. And so we're going to state that as our final answer. The type of metal from which this cube is made is iron. And of course, on the Regents and in your classwork, you're going to write in full sentences.